this property that is now a 4-bedroom, 2-bath that potentially is going to convert into a 10-bedroom, 4-bathroom home right here in Orlando, Florida. If you want the contractor lens, follow along. So, right as I walk into this property, you can see this really big living room. I would actually throw a wall right up in the middle right here. This would be bedroom number 5, bedroom number 6 right here. When I'm putting walls up, I'm always making it soundproof. And how am I doing that? I'm offsetting the studs in the wall. Now, this is the master bedroom. We want to make sure that we create a hallway. So we got a room there. So there would be a 36-inch hallway where everyone would be able to walk here and then come into the bathroom here. So what we're doing is we're taking the master bedroom and we're making it be available to other members in the home. As far as the bathroom, the toilets I would replace. You always want to make sure you're getting the most powerful toilets. Like in a Home Depot, they have toilets that they say flushes down 10 to 15 golf balls. These are the super like strong American standard toilets. This shower, I wouldn't rip the shower out. The only thing I would do is I would reglaze the shower. I would make it all white. All right, so here's continuation of the master bedroom. This room right here will we convert into a bedroom as well. This would be bedroom number 7. Why this is very attractive is because people value having exterior doors. They value having their own AC. This is the kitchen here. Typically when I'm buying these properties, I want to make sure the hearts and lungs of the property are updated. The roof, the plumbing, the AC and electrical, it's all been updated. Cosmetic wise, I would keep this kitchen actually as is. It's already got stainless steel appliances. I wouldn't really spend a bunch of money in this kitchen. This was a 2-car garage. This is where we're gonna get some more of our bedrooms. I would block that door off, make this whole entire separate area for actual 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit. If I can give people their own bathroom, they're gonna be there a lot longer. What I like about this house too is it's got tons of parking. This can fit easy 4 to 6 cars. So parking is super huge. Co-living has been a very, very talked about exit strategy. I'm actually going to be doing a live challenge. If you guys want to participate, comment below live training, and I'll give you guys a link for my upcoming live training that I'm gonna have. And I'll see you guys on the other side.